So unfortunately, my friends, the gold signal has failed. And of course I feel bad about this, but I mean, what we can do. Thankfully here in Xtreme Trader we have 80% winning ratio with our signals, but that means that we have left with 20% chance that the signals might fail. Unfortunately, this was one of those moments. So for this, my friends, please be always ready and prepared. And remember, losing in Forex tradings is part of the game. We can never win all of them. I have to admit also one of my mistakes in this analysis was maybe somehow over-exaggerating, thinking that the gold will continue the fall. I thought that the crash has begun. And unfortunately, no, it wasn't true. The crash didn't begin yet, and it seems like the gold is still gaining some strength, and it seems like we can continue buying this pair. So now, what's next with the gold? Let's put the past behind our shoulders, and let's now see what we can do next with this pair. So right now, from the first side of the daily chart, of course right now shows that the market is still facing an upper trend, and as we can see, the market failed us here and did not respect the broken level of a support and became a new resistance. Nope, the market instead just kept rising, and that means that the market right now is showing a strong potential to continue the rise. Not only that, but even we're actually familiar with this price action. Let me just now go to the 4-hour time frame to show it to you. So here is the 4-hour time frame. So right now what we can see right here appeared on the 4-hour time frame is a channel, as we can see right here. And now the gold actually has just made here the bullish breakout from that channel. And that means that the gold in this case most likely will continue the rise. So in my opinion, it's gonna be a good opportunity to buy the gold right now, but we just have to wait for the right moment. So where exactly is the best level to start buying the gold? That's the question. Well, some of you might think that here we can actually buy the gold after it fall down all the way right here to retest that broken level of a real support. But in my opinion, it's gonna happen even sooner than that. And the reason of that is the magic of trend lines. As you can see right here, we have of course a support trend line. Check this out. So right now, if I actually can expand this line a little bit more, even to the maximum right here, check this out. So the gold actually, my friends, has been able to respect this level of a support trend line over the time. Even here we had one fake breakout from that area, and here we have the second fake breakout from that area as well. So meaning the market actually so far, after making a bearish breakout from this level of a support trend line, every time the market made a fake breakout. So here, a bearish breakout from that area, a fake breakout, the market rose above it. Again, another bearish breakout from that area, the gold rose again above it. So meaning the gold is actually respecting, however, this level of a support trend line. And that tells us that most likely we can buy the gold once it reaches the same level of a support trend line, and afterward, most likely it will continue the rise towards the resistance at 2950. So where exactly against Salah we can rebuy the gold? In my opinion, my friends, in this time we have to ask or actually seek the help of Fibonacci retracement, which lies exactly right here. Let me just make it more accurate. It's actually like this exactly, precisely. Why? Because here on the peak of the resistance, I'm actually ignoring the fake breakouts right here and just highlighting the real level of a resistance levels. That's the real level of a resistance, and in my opinion, that actually is the right way to draw the Fibonacci. And check this out. Drawing the Fibonacci this way shown us, actually I would like to expand it here to the left so we can see it exactly. Drawing the Fibonacci this way, showing us a very sniper entries here, a very precise entries of where the market has originally reversed from, which means it's actually accurate in my opinion. Now, however, now the gold is actually above 61.8. Now remember, we are talking about 4-hour candles. This is a 4-hour time frame, my friends, and this candle still has only 20 minutes for the closure, which means the candle most likely is gonna close like this as a bullish breakout candle. And looking at the current price action, that is actually a price action which I trust. If the bullish breakout candle has a very tiny small tail at the bottom and longer wick at the top, it means a continuation in the rise. So therefore, the gold actually has just made here a bullish breakout from 61.8, and if the gold, or actually any pair for this matter, made a bullish breakout from 61.8, it means that the trend is no longer bearish. Now it's most likely gonna be a bullish one or an upper trend. So that means that most likely, my friends, right now we can actually buy the gold exactly at Fibonacci 61.8 at 2905. Waiting for the gold to fall to another like 80 pips. And by looking at the left side, we can see here clearly that we had also a strong key levels of a support that most likely is going to be respected. And if we do that, we can continue the buy till the market reach the highest level of a resistance at 2942, expecting around 375 pips of profit. And in this case, our safe zone shouldn't be ranging lower than the previous level. Actually, I would like to set my take profit level to be higher, because actually it has a chance indeed. And in this case, my friends, our safe zone shouldn't be ranging much lower than the previous level of a support right here and here as well at 2886, which will be ranging for around 187 pips. Let me now please write this signal for you. And there goes our new updated signal on the gold. And by the way, guys, again, please, a small disclaimer that if you're willing to take this trade with using your real money, please be responsible and careful. Remember, gold right now is really hard, and as you can see, the last trade has miserably failed. So again, don't expect that just because this signal came from Xtreme Trader, it means that it will be 100% in profit and we can trust it all the time. No, it doesn't work like this at all. We have to always be ready and prepared for any potential losses. I would highly recommend you to trade with the minimum lot sizes and also consider the losses in the future, my friends. We cannot really predict, and we're just doing the best we can to analyze the market. I'm just doing here really all my best. If the gold didn't respect this analysis, then that's it. I mean, we will call it off for the week and we will just wait for the next week to analyze the gold. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.